Multithreading is essentially a computer deciding to multitask like a bored teenager flipping between social media apps, video games, and homework all at the same time. It splits tasks into smaller concurrent threads, making the CPU look like it's juggling fire, except with data and not, thankfully, actual flames. This way, it can pretend to be more productive, like putting on a suit for a Zoom call while still wearing pajama pants. You'd lean on multi-threading when you feel like your computer is just too relaxed and needs to feel the thrill of living on the edge. Imagine wanting it to play like an HD movie, download the entirety of Wikipedia, and simulate the universe's creation simultaneously because, clearly, running one task at a time is for the technological Stone Age. It's like expecting a single chef to cook a 5-course meal for a wedding in under an hour. Ambitious, slightly mad, but impressively efficient if it works. Its purpose is to boost a computer's efficiency by allowing it to perform multiple tasks at once, because patience is a virtue, but not when it comes to loading screens.